Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you.
So we just shot a bunch of shots of me for the spa, and it was just me like going through the jacuzzi, the infrared sauna, and all of that. And then now Nico and I are going to do a bunch of couple stuff so that we can highlight a romantic couple getaway. So yeah, we're setting up the tripod and show you guys the scene. Good morning, guys. So I didn't film yesterday because we were settling in, but we left Assisi and then we came over to this retreat center. I told you guys about it when we were eating the pizza yesterday. Nico and I are filming at this retreat center and we're here for an entire week, and it's so incredibly gorgeous. And the best part, well, the spa is like epic, the view is epic, the place is epic, but here's the best part right here. Excuse me, Babiza. Babiza. There she is. Day 2 of doing the shots for this beautiful retreat center. So today we're going to get the space and highlight, this studio that they have for meditation, working out, and then all this yoga equipment they have. So yeah, exciting. Let's show you guys the studio. Look at how beautiful this is. I filmed some streaming workouts in it the other day. Infrared lighting. I mean, gorgeous, gorgeous view. It's insane. Hey guys, I'm soaking wet and in my sweatpants. We just shot some more spa stuff for this retreat center. We did some stuff in the sauna, some stuff in the Turkish, it's this Turkish steam room, I forgot the word, and some like clay mask stuff. That's why I look crazy right now. And then we're just making some lunch, and then we're gonna shoot massage stuff next. How'd the shoot go, babe?
It was good. It was very tiring and depleting. We were in the Turkish steam room and sauna to take photos, but we obviously got the effect of it, and now we feel very depleted, and it's time for some lunch, some chicken, ravioli, and avocado.
Oh. So we set up a little picnic and
Come here. You're a little shy.
we forgot our blanket, so we set up on our little car seats here. But this is our setup. We got some cookies, sparkling water, olives. These are from Terzo. These are from Terzo. We got some fresh olives, cheese, salami, prosciutto, crackers, and don't worry, we're gonna recycle all of the plastic. So we know there's a lot of plastic here, but it's all gonna be recycled. And we have this beautiful view.
Cipolla dorata, so golden onions. This is a variety that I don't know exactly the name, but every onions has a specific name.
Okay.
In Italy there is this tradition of food, and each food has, this has a name, this is a different name, both of them are squash. This, for example, is called cipolla borretana, and is flat. It is perfect for baking on the oven and dress it with pepper and organic olive oil. This is extremely sweet. This one, it is another kind of onions called cipolla dolce di Tropea, so sweet onions from Tropea. Tropea is south of Italy. You eat it raw, always raw. You can maybe use it for dressing, a plate, but usually it's raw.
You never cook it.
No, the particularity of this onion is that it's usually raw, and it is not strong at all. The taste is really, really soft. Like this one, but you have to cook it. You have to bake it. So you chop it in half. You put it in the oven. With a little bit of oil and a little bit of salt, and for like an hour easily. It's quite thin, so when it is half, it is even more easy to cook it. Salute.
Salute.
Prost. How do you say in English?
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. 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 Salute.
Cheers.
Cheers. Last day. Now I'm doing video. Thank you guys.
See you soon.
Last day here. So sad. Saying our goodbyes. It's been the most amazing time. So just so sad to leave this second home of ours.